so this is the demonstration video for the dry sweeping cloths. So I actually don't have the Swiffer mop, but I'm going to use this one because I think it'll work. I'll just put 2. So the instructions recommended to do this with your hand before to help the electrostatic. And then I'm just going to actually apply it like that and overlap it. And then I'm going to sweep or clean my flooring like this. It might be really dirty up here. I'm gonna see. This is just completely dry. It doesn't have any water. So let's see how good it did. That was just me doing it for a minute. You can see it picks up a lot of hair and debris just from doing that. And then that's just one. Here's the other one actually. Okay, so it works really well. I'm excited to use it more.